Hi there. If you're new to Toly's combat system, I'm going to show you something you may want to know. So, you may have a weapon that's shooting at the default rate. And you're probably wondering, how can I make this shoot faster or slower? Well, I'm going to show you this real quick here. So if you go into your gun script, you're going to see something right down at the bottom. So I'll show you from the top, all the way down here. There's something called cycle time. You can change how fast or slow your weapon will shoot by doing this. The lower the value is, the quicker you'll shoot. The bigger the value is, the slower you'll shoot. Let me show you this real quick. So let's say I put this value on 2. My gun is now going to shoot very slowly when I go into my gameplay here. Okay, we're going to grab our weapon and shoot. You see it's super slow. Now let's change our value to 0.1 like I had it before. Alright, let's check our new value. Much better. There you go. And that's all you need to do to change the fire rate of your weapon.